Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restart your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So to normally restart your laptop, you simply have to press the start key over here like this, and then go to the power options and then click restart or update and restart, and this way your laptop will just be restarted normally. But if your screen has freeze or something interrupts you, something that doesn't let you do that, then you can use the other option of just pressing and holding down the power key, which is located on the right side of your laptop. So you just have to hold it down for a while like this, and then once you can hear that your laptop has turned off and the screen gone dark like on mine, then you just press this little button once again, and that will make your laptop restart. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.